G'day guys, on the Moerman stand. We'll try and get this video in super busy, and it's absolutely crazy. We've just picked a couple of seconds where it's a little bit subdued, but I wanted to show you a new product called the spray ray. So it's in addition to the various poles that Moerman do, and it'll go and fit and adapt to various poles. So what it is, it's water injection above an accelerator or a Gekko pad with different attachments, and I wanted to run you through a standard kit and give you some adaptations where you could use this in your window cleaning scheme. So let's take a look. So the overhead spray rinse bars, currently 2 pencil jets. You have the adaptivity to unscrew the locking nut and adjust the angular displacement to allow the water injection over the top of your Fliq pad or over the top of the Gekko pad. The handle assemblies on the Gekko and the Fliq are the same, and it's positive engagement when we push the unit on to engage and click over the top. So that's going to allow attaching the water hose, which will run down, and depending if you're using it as a spray ray with your manual pump assembly, which we'll talk about, or connecting to perhaps a purified water system. Part of the kit, you'll get various applicator bottles which you'll fill in with a solution of water and some soap, surfactant. The pump assembly has different adaptivity with different circumferences which will allow you to attach to the various Moerman poles. And like a kid's trigger gun, it's a manual application to provide a dispersal of fluid at the end of the twin pencil jets. So we're all familiar with the accelerator handle, the ultimate Fliq, the positive engagement, the swivel, the fixed. So the handle assembly or the spray nozzle will click straight over the top, it to be used in that particular nature. So the adaptivity of this is we can also put the Fliq pad on the lower side and had the adaptivity to mop, rinse, or with the angular displacement to use this as a water injection system for pure water. The premium pad, the more aggressive Fugu pad to allow a water-fed pole application in a swivel or fixed. Really, if you weren't familiar, come with the 3 adaptations in pads: the steel wool, the Fugu, which is aggressive, and the glass polishing cloth. So all these can be attached with water injection above the top of the pad. An absolute awesome idea, Moerman. So as a traditional pump arrangement, 6mm water-fed hose up through the top with various spray nozzles. So we're able to manually or connect to a water application. And that's Moerman.